to explain the tools that exist in Scratch. So we have a Scratch website that already my group made. First, on the right side, there are several tools of Scratch. The purpose of this icon is to upload something that we want to add on our Scratch. For example, this lion, we can upload it from the another file, or we can find another picture here that we want to add to our Scratch. And the second, we have this logo or this icon. We can change the background here. We can upload it in the another file, or we can find it in Scratch like this. There are several backgrounds that already exist. In the left side, there are three icons like this. There are code, custom, and sound or suara. In the code icon, we have several small circles here with different color, where the different color have their own function. For example, the small circle with color blue here with instruction gerakan, we can make coding here to menggerakkan the sprite that will already upload like this. So this is very important in this Scratch, because important part in Scratch to make an animation. And then the second icon is custom. In custom, we can make or we can adjust the sprite that we already make or that we already upload. For example, we want to make it smaller or bigger. We can adjust it, or we can erase the sprite that we already have. And the third icon is sound. So we can add sound from this Scratch, or we can upload it in different files. So if we already make animation from this website, we can save it, and yeah, we can upload it in our Scratch.
Okay, next I will to explain how to make the Scratch that I explained before. Okay, for the first, for example, we use the lion sprite, and for the lion sprite there are several codes, like this is define state. Nah, dari penjelasan yang sebelumnya, that explain the several code that Scratch have. And for the first define state, it is the my blocks code, which is the my block code is make dibuat sendiri gitu, jadi nggak disilakan langsung dari kodenya, melainkan kita buat sendiri apa kode atau blok semua kita bikin. Okay, next is switch custom to. Nah, jadi di sini kan ada custom yang telah kita masukkan tadi, seperti lion 2, lion 3, lion 4. Nah, jadi switch custom to ini is used to make the sprite is bergerak. Nah, perintahnya itu agar dia bisa bergerak terus, yaitu kita menggunakan kode even when the green flag click, and we use the control is forever. Lalu kita masukkan my box yang kita buat tadi, yaitu yang kita beri nama stay, sehingga dia akan selalu bergerak seperti yang kita lihat ini. Begitupun dengan selanjutnya, yaitu define loncat, atas, bawah, kiri, kanan. Maka the lion will to move ke atas, bawah, in the left or right. Nah, di sini juga ada fitur yang baru nih, yaitu change Y by 10. Nah, jadi maksudnya itu yaitu kita mengambil the motion code, dimana the motion code ini terdiri dari several kode juga. Nah, di sini seperti contohnya itu change Y by 10. Jadi itu artinya kita akan mengubah gerak dari lion ini seperti di sini kan define-nya loncat ya, berarti dia akan meloncat ke arah Y sepanjang 10 gitu. Atau like for the define kiri. Nah, di sini dikatakan change X by negative 10. Then the lion will be moved to the X sebanyak ke arah negatif 10, yaitu ke arah kiri. Nah, di sini juga ada fitur lagi yang dipakai, yaitu if K left arrow press dan kiri. Nah, jadi maksudnya itu ketika if itu berada di kode control. Nah, ini digunakan jika dalam keadaan memungkinkan, like this if key left arrow press dan kiri. Jadi if we use the left arrow key on the keyboard, then the lion will be moved to the left. Begitupun dengan perintah ke arah kanan. Nah, di sini juga ada tombol lagi, yaitu when I receive game X, set size to 14%. Nah, jadi di sini perintahnya berarti kita akan mengubah tampilannya ke game. Maka set size to 14%. Nah, berarti itu secara tidak langsung akan mengubah tampilan dari layarnya ke ukuran 40%. Lalu height itu berarti disembunyikan. Go to X on negatif 300 dan Y-nya negatif 100. Nah, berarti kan tadi posisinya kan ukurannya besar dan posisinya kan tidak di ukuran X dan Y yang seperti itu. Lalu ketika kita mengubah latarnya tim, then the lion size will change to 14% and the lion will go to ke bagian negatif 300 diagonal negatif 300x dan ke Y-nya negatif 100. Lalu show kanan, jadi dia itu menunjukkan bahwa nanti layarnya itu akan mengarah ke arah kanan. Nah, di sini juga ada when I receive harta, play sound goes here until dawn, wait 1 seconds. Jadi maksudnya itu nanti setelah kita menyelesaikan game seperti yang dijelaskan sebelumnya, maka itu akan muncul suara, yaitu play sound go cheer until dawn. Nah, dimana soundnya itu kita dapatkan dari fitur sounds. Lalu nanti akan kita masukkan yang terdiri from several menu, dimana di sini juga telah disediakan beberapa soundnya. Next, wait for 1 second, broadcast menu. Berarti nanti setelah soundnya berbunyi, lalu kita tunggu 1 second, maka selanjutnya akan muncul menu awal tadi. Lalu dia akan kembali ke menu awal tadi. And this is next we use to the next sprite like logo. Nah, sama seperti tadi juga ada fitur-fitur yang digunakan, yaitu when the green flag click, forever, if. Nah, di sini ada if music sama dengan 1, maka dia akan berbunyi garden until dawn. Berarti ketika kita ngeklik bendera hijau ini, maka dia akan berbunyi musik yang telah kita pilih. Dimana musik itu, karena di sini katanya kita menggunakan kontrolnya forever, maka dia akan berbunyi dari awal kita ngeklik bendera sampai akhirnya, sampai akhir dari penggunaannya. Oke, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for the attention and I'm sorry for any mistake. Thank you. Okay guys, in here I'm standing C. In here I will explain to you how to use the learning media, use Scratch. Okay, in here we are group 6. Make the sketch about quadratic equation. So in here you can see we will play the media. Okay, if we click the green flag, in here there are 4 menu. There are menu game, menu information, menu indicator, and menu theory. Before we start the game, the first we see the information first. There are the author, the media, and there are the information about the topic and the lecturer. Okay, the next is indicator. In here there are indicators that fulfill the learning media with Scratch. Okay, the next is the most important. This is the topic or the theory about quadratic equation. Okay, if we click here, there are what is quadratic equation and what is the general form of quadratic equation. How do we find the root of a quadratic equation? Okay, this is the question, and if we click the apple, will keluar menu about the first is the definition of quadratic equation. Okay, the next is what is the general form. There are the general form of quadratic equation, and this is the quadratic equation in the form of root. Okay, the next is the menu how we can find the root of quadratic equation. There are 2 types with solving quadratic equation by factoring. There are example in here, and we can find the root of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. This is the formula, and there are the example about quadratic equation. Okay, if we finish the theory, we can back to home and we can play the game. Okay guys, in here we can play the game because we finish about the information, indicator, and the theory. Okay, to start the game, kita dapat menggerakkan the lion with around our keyboard, left or right, up and down. Okay, kita arahkan ke angka 1, and for play the game we click the space bar in our keyboard. Okay, this is the first quiz, and we can play, try to answer. Oh, our answer is incorrect. Okay, how about the answer of B? Oh, it's incorrect too, and C incorrect too. Okay, so the answer about quiz 1 is in the point D. Okay, the next quiz. Okay, the third quiz. The fourth quiz. Oops. Okay, the last quiz, the fifth. Okay.
please go look for the treasure. Okay, we arahkan the lion in the treasure. Okay, there are bonus in here. We can try to answer. Okay, we get the treasure because we finish our quiz. Okay, this is the learning media that we sketch about quadratic equation in the Scratch. We hope that the media can useful to student, to teacher, to explain about quadratic equation.